audiophile, one who loves rain, one who finds joy and peace of mind during rainy days. Rain is nothing but water droplets which fall under gravity. It's one of the nature's most beautiful phenomena, which has the ability to make even the most dreary of the days feel fresh and new. For many people, rain is a source of happiness and joy. The sound of raindrops falling on the ground can be incredibly soothing, and the smell of the rain can be incredibly refreshing. Rain can also be a very romantic time. There is something about the weather that just makes everything feel more intimate. Whether you're cuddling up with your significant other or taking a long walk together, rain can make any moment feel special. Of course, rain can be a bit of a downer. If you're stuck indoors, it can be easy to feel cooped up and bored. And if you're caught in a storm, it can be difficult to stay dry and comfortable. But even in these moments, there's something about rain that can make it all feel worth it. No matter how you feel about rain, there is no denying that it's one of the most fascinating aspects of nature. So next time you find yourself feeling down, remember that a little rain might be exactly what you need to brighten your day. To end this video, I would like to end it with a poem by William Henry Davis. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath, drop after drop. This is a sweet noise to hear, these green leaves drinking here. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop, a wondrous light will fill each dark brown drop. I hope the sun shines bright. This will be a lovely sight.